Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is my drink for the summer. I'm going to be honest. Lately, I've been craving and I've been drinking this San Pellegrino sparkling water with a pomegranate feeling or taste. This one is just tastes awesome, man. Like whatever you have to drink, if you want to drink it on your own with just a little bit of ice, or you want to do a cocktail that is going to refresh you in all this summer, which is kind of hot in my country right now. And I love this about this sensation. It just feels great. This is a sparkling water. It's not going to be too over the top with sugar. And it just has this great San Pellegrino taste, natural feeling. It's going to feel awesome, and you can do it to share with your friends with this awesome cocktails that you can do in any moment of this summer. We can drink it alone without no problem. So if you're really trying to enjoy a great sparkling water, this one from San Pellegrino has just done wonders for me, and I love it. So I'm gonna keep buying more. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.